Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the auto reframe feature on CapCut PC. Yes, this is a pro feature. So for instance, I want this video and I want to post it on Instagram, but I want this to still be in the middle, so I'm just going to reframe it in that ratio. So, select auto reframe here. Select the ratio that you want the video to be in. You can also select the image stabilization and the camera moving speed, for instance stable. Then you're going to select the apply button, and voila, if this would just show it, there you go. That is it. You don't have to crop it or zoom it, it's just going to reframe it, and it's not going to be blurred because I don't think you zoomed it that much. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!